camera's up there in the center, dude.
Bruce sees all.
Lots of you know in the community there will always be closed-minded people, and the ones that are denying this alien secret and truth is what's causing humanity to be slow at evolving into a truthful future. We're evolving into a physical illusion and lie. It was a cold evening, and the lights started rising from the trees, but only Bruce would see those lights. And the lights persisted all night long. But Bruce knew the truth was going to come out, and it was going to come out hard. Those lights are going up toward, they're going to the moon. Wow, Bruce is even adding Western music and making jokes about his research now. I mean, it's just so ridiculous that there's that many lights rising up into the sky non-stop. We got many more days of rain, so this was a couple of days ago. This is part 2, my friends. Part 2 of that other video thousands of years ago, 4 days ago, 3-4 days ago, of these UFOs rising up into the sky, and that's nothing. Check it out, more rising, and this time they're rising from a lot lower. Again, they haven't stopped. Now watch this on the bottom. Bottom. There we go. From the height of the wires is another one over top rising. We haven't even gotten started yet. You're going to notice that these UFOs are not rising over the horizon and crossing in the sky. They are going upwards. I've never filmed that before in my entire years of doing infrared. I've never seen anyone show that either. And I've never seen that many UFOs rising up from the ground level, like literally from the ground level. And I don't know if you noticed this evening here that we're filming, we are like, I mean, many feet lower than we usually are. So now they're coming up from the wire. So I'm just running a time lapse here. While I'm inside, I've done this, I had things to do also inside, working on the videos, filming always that area now with 2 infrared cameras, and we're seeing lights lifting up. When there's rain, well, obviously the visibility is very bad, but that is a UFO rising in the air and not crossing the horizon, and they are invisible to the naked eye. An interaction with UAPs and real small aircrafts, possibly helicopters, and then they all appeared and they teased the shit out of this aircraft. Watch this.
Look how fast they're moving. Rising up fast there. Oh, there's a small aircraft. It's going slow, most likely another heli. We'll see. Oh, that was a car. Yeah, look over top. UFO over top. It's actually going down, isn't he? Observing the aircraft. Another UFO rising up there. At the back. See how fast it's rising? right there, guys. That's where they're coming up. Over the building. There's another one there. Another one there. Very bright one. Ouch. Oh, darn my leg. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Two of them going up there. Three of them. Just ridiculous. That one's bright. And see it turning yellow. There's another one there. Check it out. Three of them again. It's like a triangle. Wow. That one's really bright, eh? Still can't see with the naked eye, though. Sort of nuts, eh? Just rising out of nowhere. There we go. Right from the wires there. There's another one in the bottom right. From the wire there. From the lights. You see it there, rising up. Look how low that is. Another one right there. Boom in the center. A bit off to the left, rising up. Very low. We're way below the tree lines here. We're in the lights. Crazy. They're all over the place, my friends. All over the sky. 17 minutes, we're going to stop it and start back up. Right back at the building here. Start back up again. Another one. Never ending, eh? Another one beside it. Nice big bright one. Watch how many more appear. There's another small aircraft observing them. Another one over top of it. It's even getting bright for it. Look at that. Another one over top. Watch them appear around the craft. I'm not kidding you. Let's just observe. There's one over top going up. Are there any underneath that will appear? It's taking its merry time, isn't it? That's what we want to see. It's looking in the same area that I am looking. See? 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 1, 2, 3. Oof. Now this is getting beyond creepy. Too many lights, guys. Too many frickin' lights. There's something else.
Brand new batteries, and now the sound is muffling out as I'm talking. Listen, you can't hear me. Watch.
Oh, this one's going down too.
Sounds like I'm far away. And I said there were 3 lights. There weren't 3. There was like 6 or 7 of them. We still see more rising. It hasn't stopped. Like, well, I mean, it's never ending. It's never ending. And this is why my channel is being blocked. Well, more UFOs are going to come. It's not the government that's going to tell us disclosure, but there's an interagency battle on the inside of the government secret agencies that are doing all those black projects. But listen, they're very concerned about some of the projects that are happening. That will come out. And knowing the truth, being awake is not always a beautiful thing, right? You become sad. When you wake up and open your eyes, you start really understanding what's going on around you. Look at these lights lifting up, guys.
We'll go right here and watch them. There's another one. There's 3. Too many lights. Will we see a helicopter? I am so low that you can see the car there coming.
The trolls believe themselves so much that look at them, all different directions. Every one of them, by the way, but they all rose up together, right? But people won't mention that one, right? Yeah, most of you that come here know exactly what's going on. It's that there's a UAP problem. Everybody knows that much. We may not know more than that, but we know we have our confirmation. Don't need the government to see it. See?
Another bright one over top. There's another bright one there. Whoops, sorry. Rising up in the sky. Where is it? Oh, there's another small aircraft. Watch the UFOs that will appear around this aircraft. That's a plane, eh? It's going fast enough. It's high enough too. There's another one. There's another one rising up from, you can see the wires there in the bottom. It's rising up. Very slowly. See how it is? There's another one over top.
These videos are long to do, guys. Check this out what I saw. A light in the bottom flashes at me. Bottom right. Watch, you'll see it. And it'll appear, disappear, appear and disappear. And I keep catching it as I go back to it. Okay, I'm watching the other ones rise up. But watch what happens. Bear with me. I'll guide you to tell you. I know there's a whole bunch going up right now. I'm looking at them. And then I'm going to go back down at one point. You're going to see on the bottom right. Not way to the bottom, but to the bottom right. There it is. See it appear? Watch it disappear. Watch it flash and disappear. And I saw that. There it is again, appearing and then disappeared. It would flash and stop flashing really low in the sky. A whole bunch of them.
You see that flashing thing? Whatever it was? More rising, guys. Lots of them. This is not normal. I'm worried, actually. Let's check it out. Look at this friggin'... Seriously. I'd love to see that flashing one again. That went by and flashed. There's another one there. Yep. A slow one coming up over the wires. Another one there. Right at the height of the wires. Right there we saw going up. I continue filming right there. Whoa. This is nuts. Yep, this is nuts. Oh yeah. See, those are nice videos. That's what I like making. I think it just came out in time. See that, guys? That's nice. And they're coming up from very low. Thank you for the nice bright lights. How about a flash? That'd be nice. I know I'm exaggerating, but there's more over top, see? Look at that. Looking up over top a little bit. We're seeing a whole bunch of them as they climb. Huh. Incredible. Right down here now. There we go. Over the light. See that? Look at them rise. There it is. Another one. Right over the light. There's another one in the bottom. Oh yeah. Right there. This is serious shit. I'm going to leave that right there.
What I'm about to show you has never been shown before to the public. Get ready. I hope you're sitting down.
Check it out. One on the left, top left. Excuse me. Brr. More of them rising up. Right from the light there. Gonna film right there for another 5 minutes. That's freaking crazy. That is nuts. Actually, I'm gonna stop it and restart it.
Aliens on the moon. When are they gonna tell the world? Come on, Pentagon. Aliens on the moon. Aliens on the moon. And they're mining really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens on the moon. Thank you very much for the support to this channel. Everyone, thanks for the generous contributions and thanks for watching the videos. Aliens up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are mining on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter cause disclosure's coming soon.